We look at this party, so come and show me your moves. I got some things I can teach you too. If you wanna see, oh, you say you need a shot of the Henny, and you're ready. Do what you need to do, 'cause I'll be waiting for you.
Hi guys, okay, so this is the completed look. Now, I've already probably addressed this in the video, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do a voiceover or not. But before I get a ton of comments saying, oh man, you shouldn't use Eco Styler gel anymore because of the recent findings of whatever ingredient it was that's in the Eco Styler gel that's harmful to you, I can't recall off the top of my head. Now, while I am aware of that, prior to that knowledge being out, a local beauty supply store near me was going out of business. So these little small containers like this were like on sale. It's already like $1.79 where I'm at, but like they was having them on sale for like 89 cents or so. It was some like really low price, and I bought a bunch of them. Now, me being me, I'm not gonna just go ahead and just throw them away just for the simple fact that the ingredients have already been in this gel. And I mean, once I use it, I don't plan on going out and buying it again. I do plan on finding another gel that I can substitute it for. But since I have it, and I know somebody like, oh, you're gonna risk it, blah 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 blah, the price, it doesn't matter if you got it on discount, blah 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 blah. Look, I ain't balling. And I know some of you guys can agree with me when I say that I just don't want to waste my money. The ingredients been in there, so it's not like they just started doing this and then it's Eco Styler gel I have been using for years. It's never caused me any harm. Now, that's not saying that long term or something, I don't know what could happen in the future. And honestly, with everything that's going on, everything that we use can cause some type of harm. But I just want to throw that out there. So if you're not using Eco Styler gel, then you can use other gels. Leave other gels that you like listed down below. Gels that work just as well as Eco Styler, just because Eco Styler has always been a cult favorite for mine since the very beginning of me starting my natural hair journey. And if you have been following me on my channel, you know that Eco Styler hands down is just a favorite of mine, like a favorite. So with that being said, I'm going to use them until I use all of the ones that I have up, and then I do plan on just going, or at least using a majority of them, because I bought quite a few. So I am, in the meantime, in between time, until I find me another gel, then I'm just going to use it and say my prayers and keep going. A lot of people might not agree with that, but it is what it is. So aside from that, I know a few of you guys might say, oh, with the whole flip over method and leaving your hair out, you might not feel comfortable because you might feel like your hair texture does not match. Now, my hair texture definitely does not match this hair 100%. But if your hair is a bit kinkier than mine, then you can definitely do like a twist out or braid out. I would definitely recommend a twist out, or you can do like some flexi wires or something, like the tiniest flexi wires you can do, fine, or a straw set on the leave out so that it can blend in better with this hair. And honestly, like, you're not even really seeing it. Like, this is my hair in the front, so like this is my curl pattern versus the curl pattern of the actual hair. So like the hair versus my hair. So that's how my hair is looking. And yeah, so honestly, like, you can't even really tell. And if you can see it, it's not, for me, it's not that big of a deal where it's like, oh my god, I can tell that that's not your hair type of deal. And even if someone can, I honestly don't care. So I just want to give you guys some kind of suggestions of things that you can do so that it can blend in the best, blend in as good as possible. So yeah, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Unice hair down below. I have all the links to this hair. I will have a separate review coming up about this hair and everything like that, just talking about how I achieve the color, all that. But this video was just specifically showing how I put the wig on and all that other jazz. Well, not put the wig on, but how I blend my hair out, all that other jazz. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave us suggestions of videos that you'd like to see down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.